Hi there, I'm Nayaka and I normally do these videos from the front lawn, but unfortunately it's too windy today for me to be out there, so I've come here into our meetings room and at least we've got a bit of a view of the outdoors, which is nice. So we have the photography retreat in at the moment. This is the 5th retreat since we started running retreats again. The retreats have been going very well. It's been a pleasure, almost a privilege to be able to lead retreats, and people have really appreciated the opportunity to come on retreats. It is an awful lot of work, as I'm sure you can understand, infection control, and there's a lot of procedures and protocols that we have to pay close attention to keep Nayaka COVID safe. But they've gone very well, and I've been really impressed with both the commitment of our team and the cooperation, really, people coming on retreats to try and make sure that we keep retreats as safe as we can. Coronavirus is an evolving situation. I think there's an announcement later today from the First Minister in Scotland, and cases are rising, but we'll do our best to stay open. We'll keep a close eye on the news, a close eye on changes in government guidelines and law, but we'll do our best to work as safely as we can within those parameters. We are confident enough, however, to have the 2021 programme now available. The 2021 programme will be mailed out soon to you, but it is now on the website, so you can view that programme. We'll go live for public bookings next Wednesday, that's 1 week today, the 15th of October. Between now and then, we thought, because there's been so many people who've had their retreats cancelled this year, we'd have a little window of opportunity for people who have transfers that are being held. So there's a transfer window. If you've got a transfer because your retreat was cancelled because of coronavirus, or because you had to cancel because of personal circumstances related to coronavirus, then check out the website. You've got a 1 week window to place a booking before they go public. Web bookings won't be open until the 15th, so if I'm talking to you, then you need to phone up to make those transfer bookings. But yeah, we've got the 2021 programme up. We will be limiting to 10 bookings per retreat initially. 10 is our COVID safe physical distancing number. So yeah, 10 people per retreat in the first instance, and only 1 booking per person over the period, again in the first instance. Hopefully these restrictions will be eased at some point in the new year, and as they are, we will start to reduce those restrictions accordingly and let more people come on retreats. Initially, of course, taking them from the waiting list. So if the retreat you want is already showing full, do put your name on the waiting list, because we expect to be working those waiting lists, particularly for retreats later in the year. Now, like many people and many businesses and many organisations, one of the big problems this year, of course, is money. Nayaka will have spent about £90,000 of our reserves on keeping going through this year. It's been quite a challenge, it's been quite a big hit, and going into next year with 10 people on retreats, it's actually extremely difficult. Well, it's not actually possible for us to break even on our operating costs, even with 10 people on retreats. So we're working hard to keep costs down. It's also become necessary for us, though, to ask for higher suggested donations. Now, this isn't something we want to do, because we also know that a lot of people are suffering economically. Finding money is going to be difficult for a lot of people next year. Unfortunately, with only 10 people on retreats, we just feel we have to increase the ask just to at least move towards covering the costs of those retreats. So next year we are asking for £600 for the retreat as the suggested donation, and £400 as the unwaged suggested donation, which is a significant increase in what we're asking for. It is still a suggested donation, though. The donor economy and suggested donations are important to all of us here, so we have decided not to go for a fixed fee, but to stay with suggested donations with the donor economy. And just to say to you, if you can find that money, please do. You are protecting those principles, you're protecting the donor economy, and you are allowing people who otherwise really would not be able to afford to come on retreat to come on retreat. So yeah, if you can rise to that suggested donation, it's very much appreciated, not just by us, but by lots of individuals as well. So that's that's the main news really. Dining Coach is open. We're running retreats, very much appreciated. We're committed to keeping running them, and the new program is available. Check out the website, have a look at what we're up to, and from the 15th, public bookings will be open online or by phone through the office. Get your name on, and we very much look forward to seeing you. Hopefully 2021 will be a more straightforward year than 2020 has been. But whatever, we're going to carry on doing our best to keep providing retreat conditions for those people who can get here. And that's it really. We look forward to seeing you in the coming year. Thank you.